Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, making up about 30% of its total protein content. It's found in the skin, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments, providing structure, strength, and elasticity. In the skin, collagen forms a scaffold that adds firmness and elasticity. It plays a crucial role in replacing dead skin cells and is essential for wound healing. Without adequate collagen, skin can become dry, wrinkled, and saggy. Bones rely on collagen for their structure and strength. It's a key component of bone tissue, contributing to their flexibility and resilience. A deficit in collagen can lead to brittle bones, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Collagen is also present in muscles, where it helps maintain their strength and function. It supports muscle repair and recovery, which is vital for maintaining mobility and reducing the risk of injuries. Tendons and ligaments depend on collagen for their elasticity and strength. These connective tissues attach muscles to bones and bones to each other, allowing for smooth and efficient movement. Collagen deficiency can result in joint pain, stiffness, and a higher likelihood of sprains and strains. Collagen plays a role in the health of blood vessels by providing structural support. This helps maintain proper circulation and reduces the risk of cardiovascular issues. Insufficient collagen can lead to weakened blood vessels, contributing to conditions like aneurysms and varicose veins. The digestive tract also benefits from collagen. It helps strengthen the gut lining, which is crucial for nutrient absorption and preventing leaky gut syndrome. A lack of collagen can impair digestive health, leading to problems such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other gastrointestinal disorders. As we age, collagen production naturally declines. This reduction starts around the age of 25 and continues to decrease over time. Factors such as smoking, excessive sun exposure, and poor diet can accelerate this decline. Maintaining collagen levels can be achieved through a combination of diet and lifestyle choices. Consuming foods rich in collagen or those that promote collagen production is essential. Bone broth, chicken, fish, and egg whites are excellent sources of collagen. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis. Foods high in vitamin C, like citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli, support the body's ability to produce collagen. Without adequate vitamin C, collagen production can be significantly impaired. Antioxidants protect collagen from damage caused by free radicals. Leafy greens, berries, nuts, and seeds are rich in antioxidants and help preserve collagen integrity. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, also support collagen production and reduce inflammation, promoting healthier skin and joints. Staying hydrated is vital for collagen maintenance. Water helps maintain skin elasticity and overall tissue health. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and include hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon in your diet. Protecting your skin from excessive sun exposure is crucial. UV rays break down collagen, leading to premature aging. Regular use of sunscreen with at least SPF 30 can prevent this damage. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption is also important. Smoking reduces collagen production and damages existing collagen, while excessive alcohol can dehydrate the skin and impair collagen synthesis. Incorporating a gentle skincare routine can support collagen health. Using products with retinoids, peptides, and hyaluronic acid can stimulate collagen production and improve skin texture. Collagen supplements such as hydrolyzed collagen peptides can also be beneficial. They are easily absorbed by the body and can help improve skin elasticity, joint health, and bone density. Regular exercise, including strength training and aerobic activities, promotes collagen production. Exercise increases blood flow, providing tissues with the nutrients needed to maintain and repair collagen. Finally, getting adequate sleep is essential. During sleep, the body repairs itself, including collagen production. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support overall health and collagen maintenance. By adopting these healthy habits, you can support your body's collagen production, maintaining healthy skin, bones, muscles, and connective tissues. Taking proactive steps today will help you enjoy the benefits of collagen for years to come. Remember, a balanced diet, proper hydration, sun protection, and a healthy lifestyle are key to preserving your collagen levels and overall health. Thank you for watching, and take care of your collagen.